Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog we have the new product from Godox, the new improved Godox V1 Pro. So what's new on this Godox V1 Pro? Let's see, unbox and check the quality of this new Godox V1 Pro. And before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start now guys. So this is the box from the Godox V1 Pro, similar with the previous one with the S. So the version 1, of course. So inside the box, you will see here, it's already written how many power, 76 hours, powers, 76 watts. Yeah. Then it's compatible with the X trigger. Again, also compatible with the previous Godox R1 accessories. And this is detachable sub-flash. This is a new thing on this Godox V1 Pro. So I'll show you what is the detachable sub-flash. So yan. New gen cooling systems. It's already in this new Godox V1 Pro. So let's start unbox. Yan. So this is the manual. If you want to read the manual, and just read the manual. Of course, very important. First, you have here the main flash with the bag, with the cool bags. Yeah, it's a nice padded bag, and with the Velcro on the side. Okay, so you have one black box here, USB-C for USB for charging for sure. Your mini stand, and of course the battery. Yan. So I hear there's a new thing on the battery guys, because the battery itself have USB-C, so you can charge direct the battery while outside the camera, outside the flash, or in the flash. Yeah. Okay, so let's check first this small box. And you have adapter, which is 3-pin adapter, and this is the sub flash. So before I show you that there's a new thing on this flash, this is one guys, the new sub flash. Okay, so you have this 3-pin adapter and your main light, similar with the Godox V1, the previous one, same size, style, but again, and this is your sub flash. Just push. See, you can push here, and yeah, so push the battery. Okay, on this side, see, USB-C done. Of course, this is the Sony mount. We have available Sony mount and Canon on this V1 Pro. So yeah, let's try to turn on. So this is the V1 Pro, and guys, yeah. So if you want to use this sub flash, I think S1 sync sub. There's a name sub here again. Sub. Push this button sub and turn on. On. Yeah, one. So see, we'll test. This is the sub, right, guys? Okay. Okay. Again, first you have a sub flash. You have also USB-C on the battery itself, and this is 76 watts. Yeah. So guys, let's try to use this flash and let's make a quick test. So let's go. So let's try to take some sample photos. I put TTL. I think it's not much better to make direct because the ceiling is too high. So let's try to take sample photos. TTL. Okay. So this is the first photo. Wow, it's nice. So I'll put in F. Let's try to put 5.6. Take a photo. And this is the 5.6. Let's try to take again F16. F16 TTL, and wow. So this is the F16, the F5.6, and the 1.8. So yeah, it's very nice guys. And yeah, I think this is the best speed light now for photography, because first you have already a battery with can charge by USB-C, so it's very practical if you are shooting outdoor. Very nice. And man, so that's it for today, guys. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of the new Godox V1 Pro, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com, or if you want to check the Godox itself, you can come and visit us here in Megastore showroom. Yeah, and you can check the new Godox V1. Just bring your camera if you want, or we have also demo unit here from our camera. Just come, visit, and check this new Godox V1 Pro. So yan, I think that's it for today. Flex time sa new guy natin na si Pinchu. And thank you to Home for behind the camera. So yan, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.